everybody. This is Heidi Bennett, and this is the Vibrant Visionaries podcast. Today's episode is another in the series of simple self-care for you, the Vibrant Visionaries that are listening and watching. This is also going to be the final episode of season 3 of Vibrant Visionaries, and so we'll see you and hear you in 2022. So today's concept is extremely simple, but so powerful when it comes to self-care. It's a walk in nature. Now, obviously you can do this anytime, but I especially like reminding people to do this as the seasons change. So if you're listening to this when it's published, we're talking fall, winter, the instructions are extremely simple. Go somewhere out in nature. Sure, you can bring your phone, but take a break from listening to podcasts or music. Take a break from engaging in social media and observe nature, be it turkeys like what I'm seeing right now all over my neighborhood in the East Bay, even bark on the trees. This is a way to be mindful and observe things that can inspire you creatively, whether you're a writer or filmmaker, musician, or any kind of creative artist. You get inspiration from outside sources, like literally outside sources. So not social media, not conversations with others. Just take yourself out and give yourself the gift of time to observe what you hear, what you see, and I'd love to know what you observe. This is a way to really reconnect with yourself, move your body in maybe a way it hasn't moved in a while. There's all sorts of wonderful benefits to mindfully just observing the world around you. So that's it. That is today's simple self-care. Just take it outside. All right, this has been Heidi Bennett, Vibrant Visionaries. Check out VibrantVisionaries.com for YouTube, cooking show, other mindfulness ideas, and of course all the interviews with creatives and the podcast and all that. Have a wonderful rest of 2021, and I'll connect with you back next year.